on this Ferrari 250 GTO. This GTO is made between 1962 and 1964, and it's only 39 car ever made during these few years. And this is 1:18 scale. This is not the best out there. The detail wise, again, some of the better detail, better quality will have another side light just on there, so it's more detail. This is stuff like stickers. It's not coming off. Okay, so the front is pretty smart. The light, you don't see much on that, the curve. And the bonnet, how do you open the bonnet? You have to lift this little cage, this metal, flick to one side. When you flip it, I will worry I might do some scratch or a little scratch on the side. And do again. Now let's quickly open it and see how the engine's like. Okay, so once you open this, you see this nice Ferrari engine. Look at that. See through. Yeah. So that's just as much as you can see. Not much details on that. I guess let's close this. Lock it. Okay. Ferrari badge. Let's open the door. Look at this handle here. Look. This movable handle. I thought it's a lock, but it's not. You can open either way, but it's quite cool. You can turn it. Okay, inside there, detail is not so good. Very plain, very basic. And also the seat as well. It's not much. It's very plasticky on there. And you know, some of the 1:18 scale car is actually plastic on top. This is the full metal. And here you get another air fan going through. I need to double check this. I just noted this car doesn't have any windscreen wiper. Probably, again, there's not much detail on there, but I'm not sure the real car. I'm sure the real car, come on, the real car must have the windscreen wiper on that. Okay, let's look at the hood. Okay, that's the hood. They managed to put a wheel, a spare wheel in there, which is, yeah, the spare wheel in there, which is quite cool. The back is, oh, missing. I'm sure I have this when I first bought it. It's coming off now. Probably still in my bag. Double check that. Exhaust. So the one thing I do like is the wheel. The wheel is, if you look at the wheel is very smooth. But I'm not talking about the wheel. I'm talking about looking inside. Look at this. The depth on here. That is pretty awesome. You see, it's quite deep. I'm not sure how clear it is. Okay, look at this. Okay, you notice that? The center part doesn't move, or it moves slowly. That is so cool. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Let's have a look at some photo shoot I take earlier on. Have a good day, guys. Thank you for watching again. See you guys soon.